Guys, healing is not for the faint-hearted, but oftentimes when we're healing, we're not even aware of that process happening and we become aware later. So I want to share with you 6 signs that you are in the process of healing when you may not be aware of. First sign, you're spending more time alone. You become a little bit more of an introvert. You spend time maybe self-nurturing, doing things like more homey, like cooking, taking care of yourself, reading, just retrieving a little bit from your usual habits. 2, you have ended some relationships. Some friendship have ended, some relationships you're questioning. As you evolve and you look at yourself differently and your needs evolve, some of the relationship you were accepting or adapting to or tolerating are no longer going to serve you. Some relationships end. 3, you feel confused, you feel lost, you're in the middle of a storm, and change is scary to begin with, and it's really messy in the middle. So this confusion, this uncertainty is normal. It really is part of an evolution process, of a change process, and allow this confusion, allow this questioning. It is a sign that you are awakened. 4, you have the courage to look into your own childhood. You have the courage to ask difficult questions. You feel ready, equipped, and more resilient to investigate what it is that happened, and to ask whoever you feel the need to ask some very difficult and challenging question, and you're willing to learn. 5, you are no longer ready to accept dysfunction as normal. When you were less conscious, you were on autopilot and you accept things as normal. You're no longer prepared to do that. You're now taking charge of your life, and you no longer live in order to please someone else. So external validation becomes less of a reason for you or a fuel for you. You are taking charge of your processes and states. And finally, number 6, you can fall back into old patterns. Habits are so because they're familiar and it took a while to install them. So in order to make new habits familiar, it takes time. The old ones will gradually become unfamiliar. So sometimes you may fall back into an old one. That's okay. That's normal. See that as a sign of evolution. So how do these 6 behaviors or state apply to your evolution and your change? Which one do you resonate the most with? I hope this helped.